December is International Sharps Injury Prevention Awareness Month, a time the CDC, healthcare organizations, and safety groups highlight risks of needles, sharps injuries and promote safe handling to prevent infections like hepatitis B, C, and HIV, with CDC resources, emphasizing proper disposal and engineering controls. Learn more about sharps injury prevention at a link in the video description. It's important to talk about how seasonal changes affect us beyond just the colder weather. Seasonal affective disorder, or SAD, is a type of depression that's related to changes in seasons, and it can really impact our mental health this time of year. Mental health can also affect your oral health. Stress and mood changes can lead to decreased oral hygiene, increased risk of periodontal disease, or changes in diet that affect your teeth. Stay mindful of your mental and oral health this winter. If you're feeling down, it might also be time to pay a little extra attention to your dental care routine. Let's take care of ourselves in every way as the year winds down. If you haven't already, be sure to get your flu vaccine for a healthy holiday season. Everyone 6 months and older is eligible. A list of DPH clinics located within some state service centers, located in all 3 counties, can be found at a link in the video description.